Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to block peoples on Roblox guys. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. First open up browser and search for roblox.com. Press enter. You need to search for the people you want to block it guys. For example, I'm gonna search this guy. URJAS guys. Just need to search in people, click on it. And the same way you just need to search for the people you want to block it guys, and after finding that user ID, click on it, click on this three dot icon over here and select block user, select block, and now it has been blocked guys. Now you want to unblock this guy, click on this three dot icon and select unblock user, select unblock, and now that has been unblocked guys. That's all you have to do it guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.